All right, guys. So today I just had my best day of the year so far of 2022. If you've been following along, you know it's been kind of a slow start to the year. But today I actually felt a pulse in the market in terms of day trading. As you can see, I'm up over 11K on the day. And it kind of came by surprise. As you can see here in my PNL, it's mostly from this SPPI, which is a penny stock. And my good friend Sammy is the one that found this amazing base here off the 15. And I don't really scalp penny stocks, but this kind of stuff is extremely rare to find. So not only was this a really tight base, but it also had a good level two. Markets are closed now, so you're not going to see much activity here. But I saw that there was an extremely stacked bid and also had no spread. So thankfully, this was available to short on Thinkorswim because I know, some platforms you can't short penny stocks. And as it started to break, I noticed the spread never opened up. I mean, we're talking like 1/100th of a penny here, meaning I can really load up on the size. So I added on the way down. It was on an uptick because it was down over 10% on the day. So there were some price points I wasn't getting filled. This here was a bad tick. I was watching the level two the entire time. It never dropped there. And the level two on the offer stayed strong the entire way down. And not once did it take out the offer until it actually bottomed here. I mean, look at that drop, right? So this is like the easiest money you can make. I mean, I told the room because I was trading this while I was on the mic. And I told them if these were more common, this is all I would do, honestly. Forget gaps, forget everything else. This is literally the easiest money you'll make in the market. Penny stocks that has no spread with a great level two, good daily also, and just liquid enough, of course. So that's what made the most today. Again, kind of came out of nowhere towards the end of the day, found by Sammy. And then Root, which was the second runner up. I think, yeah, this was also just a scalp. This one I just found on my own. Actually, I think all of these were just scalps, all of my trades today. I didn't take any real gap trades just because I felt like the level twos were coming back. Scalping is like my bread and butter of how I make most of my money day trading. And it's been missing since I think towards the end of last year, I believe. But as the market looks like it wants to continue to come in some more here, today was the first time I felt like they were back. So it's still too early to say, but if it's the start to something, I mean, I think we're in for some fun times ahead. Actually, I did have one call in the room, the GLW. This one, Kai from the room found, and I really liked the daily here. This was actually a gap up from yesterday that couldn't get going and gapped up today and kind of broke out. And on the intraday pattern, I believe it was off the 5. I saw that there was a base right here. And I was looking to get in over, like 4170 on the breakout, but never ended up triggering and just kind of rolled over. So it was a no play. And then the third was the EPZM, which also made about 1K on that. This was actually the first trade of the day at the open. It was a secondary offering, so I wasn't expecting it to go anywhere. So yeah, this was also just a scalp, but it actually moved quite nicely. Unfortunately, I didn't do the size, and I probably should have made more than I did. But it being a secondary, I'm fine with what it did for me. And then finally, the MNMD. This one, I think was also not a gap, but just a penny stock. I scalped off the level 2. But this one did have some spread, and I actually was up more on it, but it ended up flipping on me and got me on the slippage a couple of times towards the end there. So I gave back a little bit of profit, but also just a scalp. All right. And then I think just the rest of these, are just break even trades, also scalps. But notice how, I try to keep my losses pretty small there and then maximize my profits as much as I can. So I think that's kind of what you want your daily P&L to look like, right? So good day overall. hoping it starts picking up from here. If we can even get like half as good of a scalping environment as it was to the start of last year, oh man, buckle up. All right. Let me know what you thought of this video. I know it wasn't like any of the other videos, but if you guys want to see more of me reviewing some of the trades, I will happily do so. And not just my winning days, of course, but if you guys want to see what a losing day looks like, maybe let me know in the comments. And yeah, I mean, take advantage of this, ask me questions. I'm here to help. Okay. As always, I appreciate you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.